What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. And you already know what time it is. Tips and talk. Alright people, we're gonna get right into it. I know y'all wondering, Seth, why are you doing mulch again? Y'all can see from the last video yesterday, I'm doing mulch again. But guess what? I'm gonna make y'all wait another day until tomorrow to find out why I'm doing mulch again. Because I'm just that evil. I'm just playing. But I will say, you will be pleasantly surprised about the video you will get for tomorrow. Yes, sir. So stay tuned. Today I'm talking about why I don't think mulch is profitable, even though I'm doing mulch again. Alright, I will say, and Rocky over there growling. I will say, I'm going to talk about basically how much I charge for mulch versus how much I charge for cutting the average lawn. You know, versus how much profit I'm making for cutting the lawn versus how much profit I'm making for doing mulch. And why I don't see it's really profitable. So basically in my area, the Richmond area, we make, I mean, they charge probably the average price for a yard of mulch is like 35 bucks. You might can get it at 32, 30, depending on where you go. I have heard some people rarely out in the country area say they can get it for like 20, but that's what most people in other places in other than our area can get it for like 20 or 25 or something like that. Then it will seem more profitable. By us having to get it at 35, it's not as profitable. Because mind you, I have to charge $35 for the customer for the mulch. Then I charge $15 for pickup delivery. Now we have 50 bucks. And I haven't even did nothing yet. Then I used to charge in my earlier years $30 per yard to lay it down. So that was right at about 80 bucks. Then I had to up that because I hate doing mulch. And it's labor intensive. So I upped that to 40. So right now my average price for mulch is about $90 per yard. Most customers pay it, especially customers that need a yard of mulch. You know, if there's a customer only needs some bags, you know, they don't really want to pay. But you know, if there's a customer they know they need a bulk load of mulch, they'll pay the $90. So getting a customer to agree to pay the $90 wasn't the problem. It was just that in my mind, doing that amount of work, hold on, I feel like I have a bug on my neck. If I don't smack it, I'm gonna be annoyed this whole video. I don't think it was a bug. I think it was just something. Anywho, where was I? Hold up, there it is again. Wait a minute. It's an ant? Jeez Louise. I'm going to remember. Oh yes. Mulch is labor intensive. I think that's where I was at. It's a labor intensive thing, you know what I mean? And if you say, okay, you know, I'm paying $35 out, which I get paid back, that's not really profit. I'm charging $15 for pickup delivery. I probably spent $5 in gas getting there, $5 in gas getting back home. And now somebody starts some annoying machine. I'm trying to do a tipsy top though. What is that, bro? It sounds like it's farting. Oh gosh. Anywho. And these bugs. Jeez. Alright. Let me focus. You know, annoying machine. Because I don't think it's going nowhere. My bad, people. I apologize. Alright. Yes. Labor intensive. Oh my gosh. What is that, bro? That machine sounds stupid. I have to know what that is. Are you kidding me? It's a tractor. There's something wrong. It's a garden tractor, bro. That thing's about to give up the ghost. There's no way, bro. Why is it so loud? It's 1, 2, 3 houses down, bro. Oh my jeez. It sounds like an airplane that's about to crash. Okay, it went around to the front. Let me do this before it comes back. All right, so labor intensive. It messed me up, bro. Labor intensive. All right, so you charge $35 for the mulch, $15 for pickup and delivery. Say you spend $10 in gas, so now you got $5 profit, and you charge $40 for the labor. So that's $45, right? You made $45 profit off that $90 job of mulch, right? When I go out to customize yards, my minimum charge is $50. So if I say same thing, $10 in gas to get there, to get back, and for lawnmowers and stuff, I made a $40 profit, right? So you're saying that I make almost the same amount of profit and I do like a quarter of the amount of work and labor? And I know what you're saying, well, customers, you know, not only do they want cutting, they want mulch. Yes, that's why I was planning to subcontract my mulch job, because I'm saying if somebody else wants to come in and do that labor, they could do it. But my thing is, I don't know if I told you this, I went to the emergency room one time for my lower back. So I try to limit the amount of work that I do to my lower back, and that should go for anybody. If you plan on doing this full time, which I am planning to do for years and years to come, do you really want to do mulch, you know, and work your back all these years? Or do you want to save your back, you know what I mean? So when you get older and stop doing lawn care, you actually have a back. So that was kind of my thing about doing mulch. It was like I really didn't see the profit in it. I didn't really want to get into it. I wanted more get into doing, lawn repair. That's more profitable to me. I can just go and you know, come till up somebody's yard, put some seed down, some lime down, repair it, and you know, it's more profitable to me, you know. So that's that. I want to answer some questions about, dang, these bugs are super annoying me, as y'all can see. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Somebody here asked me on my, do I have my phone with me? Yes, I do. Let me go to my phone right quick. On my last video about jobber, they asked me some questions, so I'm going to go to that right quick. Alright. Seth, this is from the Steady Gardener. What's up, my man? Seth, is the invoice sent monthly or after every job? I talked about how on my jobber video, y'all can check it out. I'll see if I can remember to put the link at the top of this. It is, you send it out when you want to send it out, because I have some customers that like to pay monthly, and so I'll basically do all the work monthly, and at the end of the month it'll prompt me to do an invoice. When I do the invoice, oh my gosh, what is wrong with that lawnmower, bro? Anyway, when I do the invoice, it'll show me all the times I went to the house. So say you went to the house on this date, this date, this date, you did this, did this, and it'll total it all up so I can send it out monthly. Or for the people I don't trust that they're gonna pay me monthly, or the people that just want to pay after each visit, I'll set it so that every time I close that job, it'll prompt me to make an invoice after each visit. Let me make sure I don't got any other questions. Which plan am I using? I'm actually using the $70 plan, which is meant for 2 people. I still don't really understand that. At the time when I signed up, that was the cheapest plan, but now they have a 1-person plan that is meant for 1 person. So I'm like, what is the 2 people? It's just me. But you know, because I'm with Jobber, you know, they're helping me out with the plan now, but I would suggest just going with the $19 plan. It's $19, bro. And like I said, if you look down in my prescription, out of my last like 30 videos, I've had a link in the bottom, in the first thing in my description of all my videos, of you can get like 20% off for the next 6 months. It's been in there for like a month. So at this point, you probably get 5 months, 20% off. But that's pretty good, because that's pretty much the whole lawn care season. 5 months from now, you know. What else we got? Somebody said, what happened to BJ and Clay? Clay, both of them were in school. So Clay got like an internship, and so that's where he was last year. So both of them were working with me on 2017. It's bugs. Both of them were working with me in 2017. In 2018, Clay got an internship. BJ was still working with me. Then BJ got accepted to, he was going to one school, he got accepted to another bigger school, so he kind of went there and he wanted to focus on going to that school. So that's where they are. And right now, I'm not really looking to have anybody work with me, because I'm trying to make all the money I can by me being full-time this year. Maybe next year, once I build my clientele up, start off from the beginning of the season and have a full schedule, then I'll probably hire some people back. So yeah, that was from Niles Philpott. So yeah. Anywho, what else I gotta talk about? Yeah, I think that's everything, bro. I think that's everything, bro. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I get so excited when I get ideas for a video. Tomorrow's gonna be one of those videos, bro. One of those videos where I actually put in my creativeness and stuff. And I get super excited about those videos. And you should too. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.